Welcome to eloomi. Today we're showcasing how eloomi's intuitive platform makes compliance training effortless for both users and admins. When logging into the platform, learner priorities are clear, and mandatory compliance training is available to access and launch with just a couple of clicks. Content can be delivered as single courses or sequenced into learning paths that ensure knowledge is attained progressively, allowing users to complete their training at their own pace. Learners receive reminders of new assignments, upcoming deadlines, and overdue tasks via email or push notifications. Managers are also informed of any missed deadlines to help drive completions and ensure compliance requirements are met. When training is completed, eloomi automates the renewal process for next time, saving resources and ensuring your team remains compliant year after year. Admins have flexible configuration options to support a varied compliance program, allowing your organization to scale. Whether you have a small team or a large distributed workforce, eloomi's platform adapts to your needs, delivering content to specific users or leveraging the wider group or hierarchy structure to speed up assignment times. When it's time to review, efficient reporting can provide insights into compliance percentages and key topics. Segments can be reviewed and filtered to gain a comprehensive understanding of your organization's compliance status, providing detailed insights into specific areas and ensuring all compliance requirements are being met. All reports are available to download to be shared externally with other stakeholders. If compliance levels fall below expectations, eloomi equips admins with the tools to proactively nudge learners beyond automated reminders, supporting a culture of accountability and ensuring standards are consistently achieved. eloomi ensures learners can quickly identify and action their priorities so they can stay on top of their mandatory requirements with minimal barriers. It provides a platform for admins to easily manage and automate compliance programs, ensuring all training is completed on time and standards are consistently met.